Okay, if you're having trouble with your AC, Chevy Express, blower's not blowing. Nothing works. This is a simple way to fix it to get you out of a bind. Over on the left side, this plug here, wiggle it. And you're done. There's air blowing again. So we're in Phoenix, where it's triple digits. If you're a Chevy fan, especially on an Express, if you've got an AC that's not blowing, the blower's not blowing, go check that connector, wiggle it. On the Silverados and stuff, the fan is down under the floorboard. You might be able to get to the harness and wiggle that, but usually that works. It's just the brush is wearing out on the motor. I've already got a new motor down there. I just got to throw it on. But yep, hope that helps somebody out.